The Vega 616c-i6 is a specialized portable radar simulator test set ERD has repaired for the U.S. Air Force. This simulator is used by the Air Force to test various radar systems installed on several aircraft. This system came to us with various problems, which we diagnosed and then performed a complete rebuild of all of the various subassemblies. This radar test set is a complete test system, so it has both a receiver and a transmitter built into the system, which allows the operator to test and validate any part of a complex radar telemetry system. ERD has repaired these systems in the past, so we have all the needed documentations for the repairs, as well as the full official test procedure, which we performed on the unit before it was returned. A small part of this is shown in the video, with an added attachment of our spectrum analyzer to examine the condition of the signals. ERD has performed many military repairs over the years, and stands by to help out in any way we can for our national defense. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.